Welcome to Module 4. You've done an amazing job so far, understanding your audience, planning your content, and getting confident with strategy. Now, it's time to take things one step further and bring your content to life. In this module, we'll focus on the next big phase in your journey: how to schedule, publish, and monitor your content like a pro. You'll learn why scheduling your posts can save you hours each week, the best and easiest tools to help you stay consistent, how to monitor your results so you know what's working and what's not, which social media metrics actually matter and what they mean, whether you're managing a personal page or handling multiple accounts for clients. This module will help you stay organized, reduce stress, and grow with purpose. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next video in this series. Also, comment below and tell us, do you currently schedule your posts, or are you still posting manually? Ready to dive in? Let's make social media simple, smart, and stress-free. Section 1. Why scheduling your content is important. Let's be real. Trying to post on social media every day without a plan can be exhausting. You're more likely to miss days, feel overwhelmed, or run out of ideas. That's why scheduling your content ahead of time is a total game changer. In this section, we'll explore what content scheduling actually means, why it's essential for consistency and growth, how it can save you time and reduce stress. What is content scheduling? Content scheduling means planning your posts in advance and using tools to automatically publish them at the best time. You decide what to post, when to post it, and where it should go, all before the day arrives. Think of it as meal prepping, but for your social media. Benefits of scheduling your social media content. 1. Saves time. Instead of stopping everything to post daily, you can schedule a whole week or month in one sitting. 2. Consistency. Posting regularly helps you stay top of mind with your audience and grow your engagement. 3. Better planning. When you schedule, you can see the big picture, ensuring a good mix of promotions, tips behind the scenes, and more. 4. Less stress. No more last minute, what do I post today? Panic. You'll feel more in control and confident. 5. More professional. Brands and businesses that post consistently look more organized and trustworthy. When should you schedule? This depends on your audience, but here are a few general tips. 1. It posts when your audience is most active. You can find this in your social media insights. 2. For most platforms, mornings, lunch hours, and early evenings tend to work well. 3. Test different times and track what works best. How often should you post? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here's a good starting point. 1. Instagram, post 3 to 4 times a week. 2. Facebook, post 3 to 5 times a week. 3. TikTok, post 4 to 7 times a week. 4. LinkedIn, post 2 to 3 times a week. Start small and increase as you get more comfortable. The key is to post consistently, not perfectly. Exercise. Set your posting frequency. Take a moment to decide. 1. How many times per week can you realistically post right now? 2. Which days will you post? 3. Which platforms will you focus on first? Write it down. Scheduling your content saves time, reduces stress, and keeps you consistent. You don't need to post every day, just show up regularly. The more you plan ahead, the easier social media becomes. In the next section, we'll look at the best tools you can use to schedule your content easily. Now that you know why scheduling is so important, the next step is finding the right tools to help you do it easily and efficiently. The good news is there are plenty of tools available, whether you're just starting out or managing multiple accounts. In this section, we'll walk through some of the top content scheduling tools, what they're best for, and how to choose the right one for your needs. What to look for in a scheduling tool. Before we jump into the list, here are some helpful features to look out for. 1. Ease of use. Is it beginner-friendly? 2. Multi-platform support. Can it post to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, etc.? 3. Content calendar view. Can you visually see your upcoming posts? 4. Analytics. Does it track post performance? 5. Free or low-cost plans. Is there a free version or affordable pricing? Top content scheduling tools to try. 1. Meta Business Suite free. Best for Facebook and Instagram. Why it's great. It's free, built by Meta, and lets you schedule posts, stories, and reels. Bonus. You can respond to comments and view insights in one place. 2. Canvas Scheduler. Best for visual creators. Why it's great. You can design your content and schedule it all in one platform. Platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and more. Note: Scheduler is available on Canva Pro. 3. Buffer. Best for beginners and small teams. Why it's great. Simple to use, supports multiple platforms, and includes post previews. Free plan. Yes, for up to 3 accounts. 4 later. Best for Instagram planning. Why it's great. Visual content calendar, drag and drop post planner, and IG focus tools. Free plan. Yes, limited features. Also supports Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. 5. Hootsuite. Best for larger teams or advanced users. Why it's great. Advanced scheduling, analytics, and team collaboration tools. Free plan. Limited, but very powerful if you manage many accounts. 6. Planoly. Best for Instagram and Pinterest. Why it's great. A visual planner designed especially for image-heavy content. Free plan? Yes, with limited features. Which one should you choose? If you're just getting started and want to keep it simple. 1. Start with Meta Business Suite or Buffer, if you create lots of visuals. 2. Canvas Scheduler or later might be perfect for you, if you're managing multiple accounts and need deep analytics. 3. Try Hootsuite or later Pro. Remember, you can always start free and upgrade later. Quick activity. Choose your tool. 1. Pick one tool from the list above that fits your style and goals. 2. Create a free account and connect one of your social media platforms. 3. Try scheduling your next 1 to 2 posts using that tool. Scheduling tools make social media easier and more efficient. Many free options exist, so you don't have to spend money to start. Choose a tool that fits your goals, platforms, and comfort level. You now have a list of trusted tools to help you manage your social media like a pro. In the next section, we'll learn how to track and monitor your content's performance, so you can see what's working and improve over time. Posting on social media is just one part of the process. The next step is understanding what's working and what's not. This is where monitoring and analytics come in. Tracking your results helps you improve your strategy, grow faster, and make smarter decisions. In this section, we'll explore what metrics to look at, how to track them easily, what the numbers actually mean, and how to use those insights to improve. What does monitoring mean? Monitoring simply means keeping an eye on your performance, how your posts are doing, how people are responding, and how your audience is growing. This helps you answer key questions like, are people engaging with my content? What type of content works best? When is my audience most active? Am I reaching the right people? Key metrics to know. Here are the most important social media metrics you should pay attention to. 1. Reach. How many people saw your post? Tells you how far your content is spreading. 2. Impressions. How many times was your post shown? Different from reach, one person could see your post multiple times. 3. Engagement. Likes, comments, shares, and saves. High engagement equals people find your content interesting or helpful. 4. Engagement rate. This is the percentage of people who engaged with your post out of those who saw it. Good indicator of content quality and audience interest. 5. Followers growth. How many new followers are you gaining? or losing. Shows if your content is attracting the right audience. 6. Click/link clicks. How many people clicked a link in your post or bio? Great for tracking traffic to your website or offers. Where to find these metrics? Most platforms have built-in analytics, usually found under Insights or Analytics. Here's where to look. Instagram and Facebook use Meta Business Suite. TikTok, Creator Tools, Analytics. LinkedIn, Post Insights plus Profile Analytics. YouTube Studio Analytics tab. You don't need fancy tools. Start with the free tools already built into the platform. Repeat button what to do with this information. Once you start tracking, look for patterns. What type of content gets the most engagement? Which days or times work best? Are you growing steadily or staying stuck? Then make small changes based on what you learn. Post more of what's working. Adjust your posting time. Try new formats or messages. Quick activity. Check your stats. 1. Go to one of your social media accounts. 2. Click on Insights or Analytics. 3. Look at your last 3 to 5 posts. 4. Write down which one performed the best. Why do you think it did well? What can you repeat or improve? Monitoring helps you understand what's working and what to improve. Focus on basic metrics like reach, engagement, and growth. Use free analytics tools on each platform. Make small, smart changes over time based on real data. Well done! You've made it to the end of Module 4. By now, you've learned how to schedule your content ahead of time to save time and reduce stress. Use simple and effective tools to plan and publish your posts. Track your performance using Insights and Analytics. Understand which types of content actually connect with your audience. This module gives you the systems you need to stay consistent, show up professionally, and grow with purpose, not guesswork. Remember, successful social media management is about consistency, smart planning, and being open to improvement over time. Keep showing up, keep learning, and the results will follow. Your assignment: take everything you've learned in this module and complete the following tasks. Task 1. Choose a scheduling tool, e.g., Meta Business Suite, Buffer, or Later, and sign up for a free account. Task 2. Use that tool to schedule at least one full week of content in advance for your chosen platforms. Task 3. After posting, go back to check the analytics for your top 3 posts. Which post had the highest engagement? What type of content was it? What can you do better next week? If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. And in the comments, tell us, which scheduling tool are you going to try first? We'd love to support you as you put this into action